Welcome back to the Greener Lawn. Today we'll be doing a follow-up on the RustAid video by Goofoff that I did earlier this season. I've had a lot of questions on how to get it off of concrete, and we'll do a follow-up on the fence again because it did get stained throughout the season. Stay tuned.
If you like my content, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, check the notifications bell, and always leave a comment in the comment section.
Not 100%. Once again, we were brilliant and only bought 1 gallon, but I'm going to test this Lysol on the same rust stains that I've been using RustAid on. This is on concrete. I don't have any worries of getting it into the grass at this point in time. I'm going to try it just down here just to see what the results are. Heard good things about it. It's Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner Advanced. I'm just going to give it a try, see how it works. So decent results with using the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. You can see it right up at the top right here. Let's show you what this looks like with the actual RustAid. RustAid side, Lysol side. Where I put it down thick, you can kind of see the swirls. You can see where I scrubbed it a little bit. You can see where I put it down up there. But right over here where I sprayed the RustAid, huge difference, and it just keeps disappearing as it goes down. That area right there is still wet, but you can see. All you have to do is apply it really thick on cement and it will clean it up. No scrubbing required, no nothing. That's what my neighbor did all the way down her sidewalks. I'll show you right where it cuts off right up here. So you can see my neighbor actually has done their yard all the way up to this point right where the property line is. This is the last piece. Their sidewalk looked like this coming over into my neighbor's. Their whole driveway and everything was done like that. I believe, if I understand her correctly, that it took 3 gallons to do their driveway all the way down their sidewalks that were as bad as that, and then all the way down the other sidewalk right over here down the side of their house. As you can see over my shoulder, right there is where we used the Lysol, and right here is where we used the RustAid. You can tell a clear difference. As I had pointed out in the video, my neighbor had done their whole yard down through the front right here the exact same way, because it was all done exactly like this. All you have to do is apply it thick and just be patient. Get a couple of bottles. She used about 3 gallons worth on her yard. So it does work. So that's about $30 for those, but you don't have to do any scrubbing. So let's go ahead and make her green and get the rust off.